And I must admit that this final tip is probably the hardest. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Danielle Collins and I am going to be sharing with you some of my favourite ways to manifest. So when I say manifest, this is about meeting your goals, fulfilling your dreams and truly living your soul purpose. So let's talk about my manifestation process. So step one, this is really understanding what you want. Now, when you understand what you want, you're more likely to get there. And it's amazing how many people I've worked with over the years who actually are not clear about exactly what they want. So write it down and get really clear. Step number two, visualize it. Visualize how you would feel when you've achieved that goal. So when you are embodying that energy of that future you, how does it feel? Step number three is use affirmation. So these are positive phrases which help you get into the good energy. So for example, I am healthy, happy and successful. Repeat these to yourself on a daily basis. Step number four is to really start to take the action towards that goal. So it's not all about just writing down and dreaming. You also need to take actionable steps, but it really works. When you just take that little baby step towards your goal, it starts that process of achieving what you want. Then my final tip is surrender. Surrender and let go. What we definitely don't want to do is get into what I call manic manifesting. Now, manic manifesting is where we are working so hard and we are putting so much energy into achieving what we want that it actually creates quite stagnant, heavy energy. We want to embody that future version of ourselves, that healthy, happy, successful version of ourselves that met our goals, but we also want to just relax. Go through your day, enjoy your life, do as much as you can that gets you into that positive energy, but don't be impatient, don't rush it, don't try and constantly work towards it. Visualize it and take the action steps, but just let go. And I must admit that this final tip is probably the hardest. But the more you can surrender and let go, the better. I often think about it like doing an online order. You decide what you want, you put the order in, you maybe visualize yourself wearing that gorgeous new coat that you have ordered, and you feel excited about it coming, but you then just wait. You're not constantly checking your phone every 5 minutes to see if that order has been delivered. You just know it will come if you're patient.